Good morning. I am going to explain the flow of LunchHub app. Here there are multiple type of login option available. Login with Facebook, login with Gmail and login with Apple. Here this will work as register also when you are login with for the first time. We have already account. We are trying with login with Apple option. After successful authentication with Apple, it is it will login into the app. Here this is a dashboard screen. We can also call this as a home screen. Here this is the name of the app, our company name where we are working. This is the search icon. This is the remaining time till that we can place order for current date, current safe time. Here there are multiple questions available. Clicking on it will call API and retrieve the restaurant regarding this. Here there are multiple restaurants available for our current selected questions. Here this is a filter icon. By clicking on this also we can select any category. We'll talk about this later. Here this is the order screen where we can see our current placed order for the current date. Here this is a cart screen where we can see our current cart items. Here data is retrieving from the server. So here for the Suleiman restaurant there are multiple foods added. We will talk about this in later section. This is a notification screen where we can see our notification for order placed and so on. This is the profile section. So first we are trying with personal information. That here company name is Narol Infotech 1, 8:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. Okay, so let's first check for the remaining time. So here remaining time is 3 hours and 58 minutes. So our we can place order till this is 0. First we are changing profile, personal information and changing shift and checking for the remaining time. So we are changing shift to morning shift 10:30 to 11:30. It means our current order place time is past. So we cannot place order for current date. So checking for them dashboard screen. See this is 000 means now our time for placing order for current date is elapsed. So if we place order it will place for the second day, means for the next day. So now checking for the here first we are checking our old card information. Here we have here our cart is added Suleiman for Suleiman restaurant. So in cart we can add food from same restaurant only. If we want to add food from another restaurant it will remove old cart data and add a record for the new restaurant. So here this is Suleiman restaurant. Now let's check. Here from the dashboard we are selecting Burger King. For the Burger King this is a restaurant menu of Burger King restaurant. By clicking on direction it will navigate to the map with Burger King's address, and by clicking on call it will navigate to the call screen with the Burger King's contact number. So here this is a menu, multiple cuisines available and multiple foods available for that cuisines. So we can directly click on pizza, so it will navigate to the pizza section. We are clicking on burger, it will navigate to burger and pizza, so on. So we are clicking on crispy veg burger. Here it is food details screen where we can customize our food and add it into the cart. So here there are multiple options available. By clicking on select size we are selecting regular one. So if you are selecting regular one, so there is one more option coming, select crust. Let's check removes regular, so select crust option is removed. Medium, select crust 100% width. So when we select anything, any option from this list, it will show on the top. Here it is a price and price reflects in total price. Proceed button is disabled because Currently all necessary options are not selected. Star indicates this option is compulsory, and simple plain means this option is not compulsory, we can bypass it also. Now verify the total price. So we are entering 150, 150. Cheese burst 150 plus 50, 200. Okay, minimize this, selecting toppings, mushroom, paneer, corn, lettuce. We are selecting all toppings. Cheese and dip. Here this is written is select up to 3 options. It means that we can select maximum 3 options. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We are not able to select fourth option because there is a validation that we cannot add more than 3 foods. Now let's do not select anything. Select ketchup. Okay. Beverages. Select cold drinks. So one more option coming, type of drinks, Pepsi. So here still proceed button is disabled because we have not selected this cheese and dip option. So select anything, proceed button is enabled. We are selecting 3 options because we cannot select more than 3. Proceed. So now here one food is added. Now here by clicking on proceed it will add this food into the cart. Still till that it is managed locally. Now clicking on plus, it will show one pop-up about repeat last or add new. Means if if food is added already, then it will ask for repeat last or add new. By clicking on the repeat last, it will increase quantity simply +2, +3 simple. By clicking on add new, it will navigate to the customization screen for food details. Here we are customizing this food details. Previously we have selected I think medium size. We are selecting now large one. This only one topping, only one mozzarella cheese, no ketchup, beverages, cold drink, and type of drinks Sprite. Proceed. So same 4. Now clicking on plus, it will show repeat last and add new. By clicking on repeat last, it will repeat the last option where we have selected only one toppings, not the previous one where we have selected multiple toppings. Now repeat last, apply. In the same way we can select another. We are going with pizza taste add on. Okay, we are trying with Italian pizza. Details is retrieving from the server. Select size, regular serve one, select crust, this topping paneer, onion and tomatoes, cheese and dip, and cheese 7. Select ketchup, beverages, sorry, we want to try tea and milks, masala tea. Proceed. So Italian pizza is added. Now we are clicking on proceed button. So now here we are clicking on Burger King. We are adding food from Burger King, but previously we have already some food added for the Suleiman restaurant. So it is showing cart is not empty. You cannot add food from multiple restaurants at the same time. Means at one time you can add a food from only one restaurant. So in a cart you can add data from only one restaurant. Now here we are clicking on proceed, so it will delete the all old card data and add this new card data. Proceed. Now here again this is passing data to the server, and based on the response it will navigate to the card screen. So add to cart. So now here this is a card screen. Data is retrieving from the server, so it is taking time because of slow internet. So here data retrieved for the Burger King. Previously it was from the Suleiman restaurant, now it is from the Burger King, and data of Suleiman restaurant are deleted. So now here food name is China Pizza. Here all selected add-ons, means all selected options are showed as add-ons. Let's first check all added items: crispy veg burger, crispy veg burger, crispy veg burger, crispy veg burger, Italian pizza, and so on. Okay, so here first Italian pizza. Here this is a edit option available, plus option available, and not option available. Here for the first option, when we clicking on this edit option, it will navigate to the food details screen. With this data we can then update this information. Let's verify. Click on edit. It is navigated to the food details screen with the Italian pizza information. Here our all selected option available. We don't want tea and milk, we want cold drink. Change to Pepsi. Also select size as a large, serve 4, and select crust this fresh pan pizza. Proceed. Now this will update the old data of Italian pizza and replace it with a large size. Cart is updated successfully. We are navigate back to the cart screen. Here it is showing page 6, means 6 items are currently in a cart. Let's check for the information of the Italian pizza. So Italian pizza is in the last. So here Italian pizza, large serve 4 changed, fresh pan pizza also changed, cold drink and Pepsi. So this is updated. Clicking on plus. Again here repeat last and add new. Repeat last means it will simply add again one more Italian pizza below. In the same way, clicking on delete, it will ask you to, are you sure you want to delete this food from cart? That's delete. So here it is removed from the cart. We want to delete this also. So here you can see page is also updating. Let's check about the tip. So here tip your delivery executive, means we can now provide tips to the driver or executive, delivery executive. $0.25, $0.50, $0.75, and others. We can select any other, suppose $10. Done. So let's see. This is the bill details. Here it is showing crispy veg burger X2, crispy veg burger X2. So what is this? What is the difference between these two crispy veg burger X2? So here this is total price is 477. Here this first and second are same. Here this is 365 and 365. These two are same. So this is crispy veg burger X2 and this is crispy veg burger X2. Here Italian pizza 414, delivery fee $150. Here this is delivery information, tax, service fee, tip. Tip is $10. We have added here. We can click on the remove, so it will remove the discount, zero discount. Total $2,200, sorry, 22,000, sorry, 2,278. Now let's add not for the Italian pizza. This is not done. Okay, so here you can add your not. Sorry, so please try again after some time, means there is something wrong while adding knots. Let's check back it later. Check out. Place order for the shift time 10:30 am to 11:30 am, which is currently past. So now is we cannot add. So we cannot place order for the current date because this time was past. Let's verify. Confirm. It will ask for select cart. Now placing order. Place wait. So now we are placing order. So this is something. Today's break time is finished. Want to place order for tomorrow? Confirm. So if we click on confirm, it will place order for the tomorrow. If current date is 20, then it will place order for 21st. But no, we want it today. So what we can do? Cancel. Go to profile, personal information, and update safety information. Or from the card screen also we are having option for changing shift. Let's verify that and place order for the evening shift. Once card data is retrieved, we will check for this. Check out. So here it is asking, want to change shift? Yes, change shift. Select evening, submit. So it will update the safety information. Safety information is updated. So now here you can see remaining time is 8 hour and 14 minutes left for the evening shift order. Sorry, evening shift break time. Now again go to the card screen and do checkout. Checkout. Place order for the shift time. This confirm. Confirm. Card selected and order is placed. Now placing order. Please wait. Once the order is placed successful, it will navigate to the order screen and also show a order placed successfully pop up. Let's see what's happened. Order placed successfully. Okay, so it is navigating to the order screen. So here there are two order available. The recent order is this one, date and time 11:14. This add tip. Here there are my option add tip available, but here it is not available. So what is this? So once we have not selected tip while placing order, so it is asking for add tip option here, but here we have already selected tip. Let's check this. We are checking the order details of older order which was placed earlier before recording the video. So here state of the order, it is in a pending. This is accepted, prepared and delivered. Pickup details and break time information. Bill details same as the card screen. So here tip is added $15. That's why it is not asking for add tip again. Here this is option of cancel order. Select reason, too late, apply and cancel the order. So order is cancelled. So here you have cancelled the order. Let's refresh the data. So here the data order is cancelled by the user. Now here talking about this, we can add tip. If your delivery executive, select 0.75 and pay, select card and continue adding tips. Please wait. So tip is added successfully for the driver and this data is also reflected. 2692.75, previously it is 2692.00. Clicking on information, order details. Let's verify our order details. So crispy veg burger 477, crispy veg burger 365, Italian pizza at 28, break time and bill details. So here this is order details. Based on the above status, below option are changed. For currently it is showing cancel, but once it is delivered it will ask for rate of food and rate of driver related options. Going back, checking notifications if any. So currently your order has been placed successfully. Time 11:16. So order ID is 394. Let's check. Yes, this is order 394. Profile, we have already checked personal information. From personal information we can update our name and profile picture and company under shift also. Going back, terms and condition, it will navigate to the terms and condition related pop-up. So currently it is Google page. App, privacy policy, same as terms and condition. Support screen, so this is a support screen. Clicking on call us will navigate to the call screen, and email us will navigate to the email app. Logout, clicking on logout will log out you from the app. So this was the flow of Lunch App. Thank you.